Boston is one of the oldest cities in the United States, founded in 1630 by Puritan settlers from England. The city played a crucial role in the American Revolution, with events like the Boston Massacre, 1770, and the Boston Tea Party, 1773. Boston is home to the oldest public park in the U.S., Boston Common, established in 1634. The Boston Marathon, first held in 1897, is the oldest annual marathon in the world. The city has a rich literary history, being home to famous authors like Edgar Allan Poe, Nathaniel Hawthorne, and Louisa May Alcott. Boston's Freedom Trail is a 2.5-mile-long path that connects 16 historical sites, including Paul Revere's house and the Old North Church. The Boston Public Library, established in 1848, was the first publicly funded municipal library in the United States. Boston has a unique accent, often characterized by dropping the R sound, making car sound like CAH. The city is known for its diverse neighborhoods, each with its own character, such as the Italian North End and the Irish South Boston. Boston is home to some of the world's most prestigious universities, including Harvard University and the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT. The Boston Tea Party Ships and Museum allows visitors to experience the historic event through interactive exhibits and reenactments. Fenway Park, home of the Boston Red Sox, is the oldest Major League Baseball stadium still in use, opened in 1912. Boston has a vibrant arts scene, with institutions like the Museum of Fine Arts and the Boston Symphony Orchestra. The city is known for its Big Dig, a massive highway project that rerouted the Central Artery into a tunnel, completed in 2007. Boston's cuisine is heavily influenced by its maritime history, with clam chowder being a local favorite. The Boston University Bridge is unique because it is one of the few places in the world where a boat can sail under a bridge that is higher than the boat itself. Boston's historic subway system, known as the T, is the oldest in the country, having opened in 1897. The Boston Celtics, founded in 1946, are one of the most successful teams in NBA history, with numerous championship titles. The city is also known for its innovation in healthcare, with renowned hospitals like Massachusetts General Hospital and Brigham and Women's Hospital. Boston has a strong connection to its Irish heritage, with St. Patrick's Day celebrations being some of the largest in the country. The USS Constitution, nicknamed Old Ironsides, is a historic warship and the oldest commissioned naval vessel still afloat in the world. The Boston Pops Orchestra, known for its lively performances, is a popular summer attraction, especially during the 4th of July celebrations. Boston has a rich sporting culture, with passionate fans supporting teams in baseball, basketball, football, and hockey. The Boston Globe, founded in 1872, is one of the most influential newspapers in the United States. The city is often referred to as Beantown, a nickname derived from its historical association with baked beans. The Massachusetts State House, completed in 1798, features a distinctive golden dome and is the oldest state capitol building still in continuous use. Boston has a thriving tech scene, often referred to as Silicon Harbor, due to its proximity to prestigious universities and research institutions. The Boston Harbor Islands offer recreational opportunities and scenic views, making them a popular escape from the city. The city is famous for its rich history of immigration, with vibrant communities from Italy, Ireland, and Eastern Europe. Boston is an important center for biotechnology and pharmaceuticals, housing numerous companies and research institutions. The Boston City Hall, completed in 1968, is a controversial example of brutalist architecture, often criticized for its design. The Boston University Bridge is an iconic spot for photographers, offering stunning views of the skyline and the Charles River. Boston has a vibrant nightlife scene, with numerous bars, clubs, and live music venues, particularly in areas like Allston and Fenway. The Boston area is also known for its craft beer scene, with many local breweries producing a variety of unique brews. The Boston Marathon attracts runners from around the world, with thousands of participants competing each year. The city has numerous historic cemeteries, including the Granary Burying Ground, where many notable figures from American history are buried. The Boston Children's Museum, founded in 1913, is one of the oldest children's museums in the world, focusing on interactive learning. The Boston Museum of Science is one of the most visited science museums in the country, featuring hands-on exhibits for all ages. The city is home to the New England Aquarium, which features a giant ocean tank and a variety of marine life exhibits. Boston's weather is characterized by 4 distinct seasons, with cold, snowy winters and warm, humid summers. The city has a strong coffee culture, with numerous independent cafes and local roasters. Boston is known for its historic taverns, such as the Bell and Hand Tavern, which dates back to 1795. The Boston Tea Party reenactments are a popular tourist attraction, allowing visitors to participate in the historic event. The city has a rich sports history, with the first NFL game played in Boston in 1920. Boston's North End is famous for its Italian cuisine, with numerous restaurants and bakeries offering authentic dishes. The city is also known for its historic theaters, such as the Boston Opera House and the Wang Theater.